we study the animals in the water. So for fish, you already know that it's con cá or general fish, all kind of fish. In this one, we have modifier con cá sấu. This is a platypus, con thú mỏ vịt. And we can skip the con because it's long enough. It has 3 syllables already. So thú is the noun for animal too, and mỏ is the mouth of the animal. Vịt is the noun for the duck. Do you see that it has a duck mouth? That's right. That's why we call it thú mỏ vịt. So the name, easy to retain the picture or to imagine what it looks like already. Thú mỏ vịt, and combined from the word that you already knew. Next, is it a fish? Yes, but it's a mammal, I know, but it still swims. So, cá voi, con cá voi. Voi, the elephant, is the biggest animal on the land, and we have the biggest fish. So we use voi to modify the fish. Cá voi. That's how you learn new vocabulary, because they combine or they connect to the other thing. This thing connects to the other thing. It's easier for you to study that way. And this is very cute. Cá heo. Heo is the noun for pig. Cá heo. Okay. Think about the cute pig. Okay, cá mập, because it's not skinny, it's not thin, it's fat. Fat is mập, so it is cá mập. Next, the shrimp, con tôm. And the lobster, con tôm hùm. So you see, they are the same type, and we just use modifier to simplify everything. Shrimp, lobster, totally different nouns, but con tôm and con tôm hùm, right, is the same type but with modifier. Okay, this is we use different noun here. Con cua, normal crab, and this one con ghẹ. Okay. Octopus, con bạch tuộc. Squid, con mực.
The special creature is called con sứa.
Seahorse, cá ngựa. Ngựa is the noun for horse, and it lives in the sea like a fish. So we have cá ngựa. Okay. And the starfish, sao biển. So sao is star, and biển is the sea, the star in the sea. Con sao biển. Next, these are all the shells. We say con ốc. Next, they are coral, not like an animal, but also categorized in animals or creatures. So they are san hô.